This is homework for 9/17/15, the Milo and Mira walking rates problem. A reminder that while I won't really know if you cheated, it's not a good idea to cheat because that's not how you learn, and then when you come to test, you're not going to be very successful. So if you haven't really done the sheet, turn the video off now, try it on your own first, and then you can watch the video and check your answers. Remember to change your answers when they're wrong too, and notice some of you don't write things down. So if you have the wrong thing or you didn't have enough work, you need to change that. Okay, A. Create a table for Milo's walking rate. So in the problem it told me that Milo walks 40 meters in 15 seconds. That's up here. And when it says walking rate, it means I'm supposed to figure out how much Milo walks in 1 second, per 1 second. Just like when you do speed, you usually talk about miles per hour, per 1 hour. So I need a 1 here. In order to make the seconds 1, I'm going to divide by 15. So 40 divided by 15 is equal to 2 2/3. This 2 2/3 represents 2 2/3 meters in 1 second. So every 1 second Milo can do 2 2/3 meters. And now I have to make a table. So I know if there's no time, there's no meters. At 1, it's 2 2/3. At 5, it's 3 1/13. At 10, it's 26 2/3. And at 15, it's 40. And I don't really care what values you had in here. You could go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could do like I did and skip around on your X's as long as these values are correct. And then I just wanted to show you quickly, because this is part of what we've been working on. I know this is proportional because it starts at 0, 0, but look how here at 5 doubled is 10, and here 13 1/3 doubled is 26 2/3. So I know that this is proportional because when one doubles, the other doubles, and 5 over 13 1/3 is equivalent to 10 over 26 2/3. Okay, B. Now I'm supposed to make a table for Mira's. So first I had to figure out how many meters she can walk in 1 second. So if she does 30 in 10 seconds, I have to do 30 divided by 10, and that gives me 3. This represents that she can do 3 meters per second, and now I can use this to help me fill out the table. So 0, 0, 1 second is 3 meters, 5 seconds is 15 meters, and 10 seconds is 30 meters, which that information was up in the problem. And then notice again that when 5 doubles to 10, 15 also doubles to 30. That's another sign that this is a proportional relation. C asked me to write out what Milo's walking rate is, and so I just took my work from up above. 40 divided by 15 gives me 2 2/3, and then you need to label this. Do not just put 2 2/3 on your paper. This is 2 2/3 meters per second. I repeated that for Mira. 30 meters divided by 10 seconds gives me 3 meters, and that represents 3 meters per second for 1 second. E asked me to write an equation that represents how far Milo can walk for any number of seconds, so it's asking me about distance, so I use D instead of Y. Distance is equal to, for Milo, 2 2/3 times whatever time in seconds you give me. So if you asked me to find out what his distance would be, if he did 23 seconds, then I'd go 2 2/3 times 23. And the equation for Mira is D equals 3t. So if I needed to find her distance for any time in seconds you gave me, I'd do 3 times whatever time in seconds you gave me, and that multiply them, and that would give me my distance. All right, your homework is done. That video was only 4.5 minutes, and I hope you have a good night. This is the last homework assignment that you have to worry about this week. Have a great night, guys. Bye.